Hi, I'm Chart Gal Lori. I'm part of the Chart Guys community. I've been a trader and technical analyst for the last 8.5 years. I'm going to bring you the market recap for Thursday, November 21st. We had a lot of green out there. The market closed green. We had software green, financials green, and we had healthcare. A lot of healthcare was green and consumer defensive. We had communications and consumer cyclical, consumer discretionary standing out red, including Amazon and Tesla. On the economic calendar, we have one three-star event tomorrow, the S&P Global Manufacturing Index. If you want to give me a follow on X at ChartGalLori, that would be lovely. Taking a look at the market, starting with ES, if we look at the hourly, we got an uptrend. NASDAQ did not. NASDAQ fell short of getting over resistance. The Russell's in an hourly uptrend and the Dow is in an hourly uptrend. So we saw the NASDAQ lag behind the other three of the Fab 4 indices. So let's look at a higher time frame on ES. Daily lower high is the more likely scenario. Bears have not started that attack yet. We are still in a 4-hour uptrend. RTY, we're looking for a daily lower high, still in a 4-hour uptrend. Bears have not started that attack yet. Dow, we're looking for a daily lower high, 4-hour uptrend. NASDAQ is the only name that the hourly was not able to get a higher high yet, and it could hold the market back tomorrow. It'll be key going forward. Looking at the VIX, we're going pretty sideways. 4-hour inside bars and daily indecision doji with upper wick and lower wick, bears and bulls pushing there, just kind of going sideways on the hourly chart. Bitcoin got a new all-time high today. We closed with an hourly potential bull flag. 4-hour inside bar. It was absolutely beautiful. Ethereum got an even bigger move today, playing catch up and laggard to Bitcoin strong moves, unable to get over 3,500 and still not even close to the new all-time high. MSTR was really the newsmaker today with the big bearish engulfing candle on high bear volume. They just had some offering news after hours. We saw a 16% dip today. So remember, it's short sell restricted. If you encounter 10% drop from the prior day close, you become SSR. Sellers can only sell on the ask instead of the bid, and then it carries over to the following trading day. So we saw MSTR completely decouple from Bitcoin today, and it was a massive drop. Coin also decoupled from Bitcoin. It had a massive drop. We held the low of day into the end of day. That'll be key going forward to 88.55. And we'll be keeping MSTR on reverse back burner watch going into tomorrow. The dollar had strength. We got over this resistance of 107.064. We confirmed the daily uptrend. On the monthly, we have that higher high. So the dollar continues to be strong. Gold was able to shake off that dollar strength again today. We are right at the daily 50 MA looking for a daily lower high. 4-hour overbought. This is a good area to potentially top fish gold if bears can show that they're stepping in, and they have not been able to get traction yet on gold despite dollar strength. Looking at GDX, GDX had a wonderful day. We got a daily higher high. The gap fills at 38.63. We are in a 4-hour uptrend and an hourly uptrend. As long as we're holding the 4-hour 12 EMA, GDX bulls are in control. I shouldn't say a daily higher high because that was an inside bar. So a daily lower high is still on the menu with resistance at 39.80. Looking at oil, we're still bumping up against this daily 50 MA overhead. Hourly, we had a nice push up, couldn't get over 70.38. This could likely result in an equilibrium where bulls will be looking for an hourly higher low. And we'll see if bears can step in at this daily 50 MA that's overhead. SMH had a green day. We are bumping up against a daily 50 MA overhead. I will be bringing SMH forward tomorrow morning, looking for a top fish setup with that daily 50 MA overhead, looking for a daily lower high. But of course, I will keep a close eye on NVIDIA. If NVIDIA is strong, I won't look at shorting SMH. So NVIDIA got a new all-time high this morning after earnings yesterday. It had a mixed bag on earnings. It had some beats, but the guidance was soft. I believe I heard it was the lowest guidance percentage increase projected in the last 7 quarters. So we had a mixed bag today with an hourly equilibrium, making room for a potential hourly higher low compared to 140.70 tomorrow. So tomorrow, if NVIDIA were to open up in the middle of today's range, we also have a high probability of getting an inside bar, and then the market could just stay sideways. Just a reminder, next week the market will be closed for Thursday, Thanksgiving, and Friday will be closed half day until 1 p.m. Eastern is when the market will close the day after Thanksgiving. Netflix, I guess I say it every day, another new all-time high, holding the hourly 12 EMA like an absolute boss. We have Tesla with a 4-hour sideways range. We broke the double daily inside bar bullish, but we couldn't get follow through. So the best way to look at this is this 4-hour sideways range going into tomorrow. We may get some volatility pickup in Tesla tomorrow. XLC double top with a prior day high, 97.36, 97.34, and an hourly lower high is possible. And then on a pullback, bulls will be looking for an hourly higher low. XLF with a new all-time high today, 4-hour potential bull flag and squeeze going into tomorrow. So XLF held up very well today. XLV continues to charge higher. We are looking for a daily lower high on healthcare. Hourly is overbought. We don't see any signs of slowing yet. 4-hour overbought, I would be looking for a daily lower high on healthcare. DDOG, I've been pointing out all week with this daily squeeze, daily equilibrium. We got the bull break, follow through, and more follow through with elevated bull volume today. Tomorrow, I would keep this one on back burner watch. Massive bull. Speaking of massive bulls, Snow had a reaction to earnings, up 32% on the day. We are not at all-time highs. However, RSI means a lot less because it's earnings related. We close with a potential hourly bull flag, and we'll be watching for a back burner trade on Snow and a back burner trade on Reddit. Reddit had a huge day, new all-time high. So Reddit and Snow will be on back burner watch tomorrow. We'll be watching Tesla's tightening range. We'll watch for healthcare to potentially start some topping. Just going to be a fun day of trading. And SMH looking for a potential top fish against that daily 50 MA overhead. All right, that's it for your market recap. We have Thanksgiving next week. Don't forget, if you're buying options, you'll need to factor that in. Have a wonderful evening.